This journey has truly been a blessing. But you know what they say. All good things must come to an end. Which means it's finally time to pack. I've got lots of stuff to pack home with us. And no, I'm not just talking about clothes. More than the items, I'm packing along priceless memories. New learnings, new beginnings, new perspective, new insights. I'm packing along inspiration and a renewed sense of hope. I'm packing all of this to come home with us. When we first arrived, I wasn't really sure how the trip would affect Sienna. All I knew was I wanted to be able to give her what she would have gotten if life was back to the way it was. I just wanted to give her a chance, opportunities, alternatives, experiences. Experiences lived outside four walls.
You naughty girl. Stop taking off your bib, my love. Stop taking off your bib. No more taking off. No more taking off. No more taking off, my love, please. Oh, I naughty shoe.
I wanted her to thrive, and boy, did she thrive.
Can't believe what I found when I let a little piece of you, a piece of you into my modest life. Yes, and you let me through, let me know a piece of you.
To be honest, Yoni and I were drowning back home. Drowning in what seemed like a hopeless and endless darkness. Yes, we have this little bundle of joy, but everything else around us seemed grim, uninspiring, suffocating. We were overwhelmed, stressed, anxious, stuck. This journey saved us.
Standing underneath the lights,
Mama's here. Mama puts your cardigan to prepare you to leave. What do we want? What do we want? Okay, okay. We're a little grumpy, no? Yeah, it's a necklace. It's a necklace. Okay, Mama fixes your hair. No. Mommy fixes her hair. Okay. We're gonna climb up to Mommy. And for your teeth. She already saw you. Oh, yeah, we can give it now. I see. Hi. Okay. Your hair is a mess, but that's fine. Oof. As long as they're not. Yeah, that's okay, I guess. Yay! Okay, stop eating that, my love. Okay, diaper change time.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in our conversations. You are like gold dust over me, just like an angel set me free. Where are you now? Do you feel safe? I don't need an
Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy it.
Oh, I forgot to say that I didn't need the box, but it's
Ah.
okay.
Yo de aquí me pongo para un lado.
The beginning of this journey was filled with so much fears. I mean, fear has practically ruled over me this past year and a half. But now that we've come to the end of this trip, I can honestly say fear no longer takes hold of me. I am free, able, strong, inspired, motivated, renewed. And for this, I am grateful. Thank you for giving me what I needed, what my family needed. We're ready. We're coming home.